So ladies and gentlemen, we are now in Kharyaar. You just see the condition of the all Kashmiri Pandit houses. This is Jhelum flowing right in Kharyaar, and then you can just see that this is Bhagwan Gopinath Ji ashram in Kharyaar. Very important, very important, very important. And then of course this is, this is Gauri Shankar Mandir, and Kharyaar, of course. This is Gopinath Ji ashram, and then of course I'll just show you very fast. I'll go up and show you the Paramdam, inside, but then he has kept it. This is the Bhagwan Gopinath Ji ashram. This is Bhagwan Gopinath Ji Mandir. God bless Bhagwan Gopinath Ji. Jai ho Bhagwan Gopinath Ji ki jai. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what is Kharyaar Gopinath Ji, Bhagwan Gopinath Ji ashram. Good. God bless. That is Kharyaar Gopinath Ji. Hey, you kusmara bridge chu? Is Habba Khatoon so new Habba Khatoon na? New bridge, Habba Khatoon. And see the condition, of the houses around. Across the road you have seen it, and across the road this is Jhelum, and then the house is here in a very bad condition in the Habba Khatoon area. God bless. Jai ho Mata ki jai. Jai Mata. Namaskar Mare. Thank you, sir. So we're going out now. Out. I'm going out. Going out to Kharyaar, and of course, finally, Chamara, you want dinner again? Thank you, sir. God bless. You see, this is the place. Oh, thank you. God bless.
Then we'll walk to
Walk. We can walk that place. Yeah, of course. No problem. ये गए ना ये कुछ वाची से ना गणपतियार की थी गणपतियार चु खरियारस मज ऐसा ही हम गोपीनाथ जी पान रोजान मकान आदवर्स चलो लेट हिम कम ये मारा पैदल है पत मारा मैं गाड़ी थे मैंने आती कम यार इट्स 5 मिनट्स अच्छा क्या मारा ऐसे तो मनान कि भाई कि अत मज गोपीनाथ जी अत मज भगवान गोपीनाथ जी रोजान अत गली मज रोजान I know he was a god, he was godly person, of course.
1968
he attained nirvana.
I remember I was a small child. I remember seeing his funeral procession.
Achha, really? Actually, you know that कि my grandfather also was with him. अच्छा यम छ पर यम छ कशिर यम Swatch, of course. Namaskar. This is Nanwai, of course, Ladies and gentlemen, this is Ganpatiyar gullies. Very important. We are trying to trace our roots and walk down the memory lane. hundreds years of years. So this, just see that this is also very important. I used to just go to Tsarangu's house, and my brother, my dear friend Rajesh Tsarangu, Ajay Tsarangu, and all those people, and his father, great man Autakshan Tsarangu, and mother, so great, Rajni Tsarangu, Gitaji Tsarangu, and then of course, you know, my Pufas also. Pufas, you just see that now you are entering that, this very Ashok Braru also, the greats are great, so great. Magaricha, same, he might have sold it out. Maybe. Maybe. Hey, namaskar, Mara, namaskar. Ganesh ji Mandir, Ganpati. Oh, great. It's completely protected.
सर आप वीडियो यहाँ पर कीजिए
नहीं ले सकते हैं फोटो अंदर ले सकते हैं क्या